Hello learners, greeting from AISECT Learn, well known for better education and better career. I am your trainer, Dr. Ravi Shankar Sharma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of CS IT Department, Rabindranath Tagore. Today we are going to learn about the diploma program in AR, VR and MR. AR stands for Augmented Reality, VR virtual reality or MR is a mixed reality. And course objective of the program is that the course is prepare for the industrial expert, keeping in mind the skill set required for AR and VR development with the required foundation course. There are total 5 modules in this diploma program. Module first, Introduction to AR, VR and MR. Now, Module 2, C# Programming Fundamentals. This course is designed get complete knowledge of Microsoft.NET Framework. Module 3, Deep Dive into Virtual Reality. Now, Module 4, Deep Dive into Augmented Reality. Now, last one, Module 5, Unity Programming. Now, applications. Healthcare, entertainment, education, space and military area, digital marketing, tourism, and so on. I hope this session would be fruitful for you. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.